And we're back. COSN 10 folks, Professor Almeida here. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope all has been well wherever you may be. And I'm dropping this announcement about week 4 because, well, it's already available to you, even though it officially starts on Monday, March 27th. But before I get into week 4, a couple of housekeeping items I want to mention first and foremost. So we'll start with the announcements. Okay, we'll start here with the announcements. There are two recent announcements I want to bring to your attention, and we'll begin with the binary game. Now, if you watched the last announcement video, you'll see that I'm offering a little something for the highest score submitted. Now, the binary game is a required assignment, and you do want to turn it in to get your 10 points, but I'm offering a little extra something for the highest score in the class. And if you don't know what that is, go back and watch that announcement video. But I'm going to use this page here to update what the highest score is. As you can see here, as of yesterday, Thursday, March 23rd, 11,575 points. So if I get a submission where this score gets topped, I will update this page. So make sure that you check back here for details. Again, here it is right here in the announcements. The other announcement I want to bring to your attention concerns Packet Tracer 465 and 472. And there have been some questions about which unshielded twisted pair cabling you should be using in order to connect between certain devices. Now in 465, they do give you a hint early on. And if you didn't quite get the hint, I want you to go back and review 443, where it talks about straight through versus crossover cables. Okay, when to use straight through or crossover. And if you recall from reading in 443, use crossover cables to connect like for like devices. So for example, switch to switch. Okay, so again, take a look at 443, and hopefully that answers your questions about 465 and 472. Now, of course, with 472, I do have a walkthrough video for that Packet Tracer lab, so be sure to watch it. And speaking of these Packet Tracer and Check Your Understandings, I hope that you have been able to keep up with the class. Okay, I do watch for participation. I have access to analytics both in Canvas and Netacad. And if you want to get that certificate of completion from the Cisco Networking Academy at the end of the course, I do expect that you participate. So make sure that you get these assignments turned in. Of course, with the CYUs, they should be an easy 10 points every time. So with all of that said, let's get into week 4 here. Okay, so week 4 is already available to you, and you can see there isn't a whole lot, right? Module 6 and Module 7. Module 6, we get into layer 2 of the OSI model, the data link layer. This is where we start talking about MAC addressing. Module 7, Ethernet switching. I want to show you these two Check Your Understanding assignments. Okay, here's CYU 6. You only need to turn in 3 screenshots, folks. CYU 7, only 2 screenshots. And as you are going through Module 7, you'll find this Wireshark lab here, 716. Now, other COSN 10 classes use Wireshark regularly. I'm not requiring that you learn the ins and outs of Wireshark, but it is a good tool to become familiar with, especially if you are going to use some kind of network analysis. Okay, so take a look at 716 when you get a chance. Okay, here's the lab. And if you want to get a copy of Wireshark, you can just go to wireshark.org and download it for your system. If you cannot install Wireshark on your own system, you can use the Citrix Student Labs in your Viking portal. Anyway, that is it, folks. Enjoy your weekend. Let's make sure that we get caught up on things. And by the way, your weeks 3 and 4 are due on Sunday, April 2nd. And I'm sure you don't want to be spending spring break trying to get caught up on assignments. All right. Take care of yourselves out there. Enjoy your weekend. We'll talk again soon. Thanks for watching.